Abe ebi penun kwaya edidi fufuo ebi su peninsuo unuma na waye tan Solomon se obi a oto nsan mu tintan enim nyansa me de me penun kwaya edidi fufuo ana banku ana beti ana pesie. I welcome you all to Safubafu's TV channel. Ene yeba besua kwan faso ye original village style of Abe Nkwan. Die di kan kra no pe atwede se abe no wasen wa na fa twere ho sa odi atwede no twere ho sa na wa frɛ ambulance fo ama begina ho ebise bibia betimasi se nyame ye wadom na se wanti antodi a ende na wa ma wa beso na chese Abe Nkwan na ye be start no. Before you succeed in anything, you must suffer for it. If you succeed in anything and you did not suffer for it, it means somebody suffered for it for you. If you are suffering from something today and you do not succeed, it means somebody is going to succeed after you without suffering for it. This is the basic principle for success. So after getting your abe ready, you need your ajogo or turkey berry or Nkwan susa, and it is free in my farm. We are going to add the Nkwan susa. Hey, sir, and now wajina hoi say waya baby anka wade babon Nkwan pa. Some people decide to add turkey berry, pepper, and the abe in one pot. This one there, I have decided to cook only the abe and the turkey berry. So we are going to wash the abe first, and then the Nkwan susa, and then on and on we go. You have to wash it well because when it is on the abeduano, nkutre play with it, enkura play with it. I think Wawadum play with it, so you have to wash it very well. And young Nkwan na ope abe. Upro nkutre dum nyina so omkodi abe ni bi, so you have to wash it well. I am going to add the turkey berry or the Nkwan susa. I am adding the pepper. The pepper, I had wanted to blend it separately, but this pepper no adding pa. So I decided to cook it with it. The turkey berry, you can decide to titering bakum or you can decide to put everything inside. When it cooks for some time and you are not sure whether it is soft or not, you can take one and chew it to see if it has boiled well. After annual, then begin to stew or chill your nam for the Abe Nkwan. As for the nam, you can decide to use any nam of your choice according to your faith, your health, and your pockets. So while your meat is chewing or steaming, we are going to pound the abe. Use any nkwantre near your kitchen and begin to scoop it inside your wadro. If your wadro is more like mine, you have to pound it in stages. Making Abe Nkwan is not that simple. If you go to Choba and you feel Nkwan, remember the person who did it. It is not simple and easy as you may feel Nkwan. After pounding the first stage or the first batch, you have to scoop it into a new bowl or any dasen or any material necessary for it for you. Me bro for na keka bombo ya mitimi hu me fa chaw anwa fa disa bambai. One thing to remember, please, while pounding your abe, you have to cook or boil water separately. It is not advisable to use cold water to huno abeno. If you use cold water to huno abena, it is not going to be palatable for you. You can use warm the to the abeno. If it is too hot it is going to make your hands uncomfortable. If the water is too hot, you can use cold water to dilute the hotness of the water. After using your hands to posamuno, separate the mmefino from it and separate the palm kernel or the adreno too. Don't throw any of these away. The abeno or the palm kernel is good, and the mmefino too is good for making fire or for ehinamu nsuo. So after separating the boys from the girls, we need the soup nankasa. Use sonia to strain it. Mwa wonsa bro na afei de fa bobo sonia no so. Repeat it till all the soup is finished. This is making the authentic Nkwan village style. Sometimes people tell me, Safu Bafu, I would give up anything to become like you. And I tell them, then you don't mean it. If you really mean it, then do it and you shall become like me. I am going to hatter the adwen and the mefeno. Life in the village is so beautiful and interesting. Sa inti nana ye nananum enyi nchei. Se nyankopon eto onana ana o maame bi nkwam tenten na se nkobo no baya o se ye do to na yitwa wachi ma 20 ana 50. Eya bompa ye se nyankopon beto wo nkwam na wo so wanyi nti sesa wo nana no ana se wo maame no. Now the soup is boiling, so we are going to wash our things. But first thing first, we brew first. Normally in the village, when we are cooking and a na bona yede body ana a brobi ashen. One thing that make Nkwan ye ya pan say e normal na obe uhuru no. Na abe ana engo no aye mu bebre. Se wanya azuma blue ana amonchin ana lata samna bia no eden pa na intimi nko. When the soup is about to burn, then yankope bogo. Do you remember these leaves? All these leaves ema hoden pa nso efifi na asashi efifi na asashi yemfa nya hwe. Enum nyina ka ho bi na ye nananum di ya omunyi enya nkwa tenten no. Ene kromu nnuane aye chemicalization Nkwan ti amayade basa Nkwan. Ti unya obogo se ya Nkwan no bebe no no watiti agum natural. Inti preparing Nkwan no, it is simple but it is not easy. E was say ofuru abedua say wa watwa waye e say hu no ma de edos pa, but uwie so a it is worth it. Nkwan no ya bebe na wa ohuru ho kama bogo no so baby abetin make sure say eho omommo spray bia ho tisi omkobo insecticide ne weedicide bi wo ho dia ande waso be hye papa already obetimi atoa nananom entino make sure say everything is cool and perfect. Thank you for watching Safu Bafo. Please like, subscribe and comment are welcome. We are no nya banku bisa wetim di edi banku abetie fufu apesie mutu akole, any food of your choice. Bye bye. Queen right now, queen.